Do you know we didn't give Jacob watermelon until he was 1? Wait. She's like, Dad.
Hey. Morty. Tell him, Haley. Mm-hmm. Oh, more, Dad. Look. Oh, good girl. Let me get mine.
You could have that. Yeah.
Okay. Are you getting some too? Why not? It's real juicy.
I am.
Just cut a piece right
Yeah.
there. You can have this. You can have this. She could have these too.
Okay. I'm sure you can get. I ate this whole bowl.
For sure. That wasn't
Juicy
even.
She said we could have some.
Yeah, it's not
Oh,
fair.
it's Leanne's. Got it. I forget.
You don't care.
She was like that yesterday, though. She wanted me. She was fine. She eating every food when I was going to eat. She's like, what's up? Take it. What?
You know Jacob's watermelon at his birthday was
Tell me how watermelon
I'm gonna give her this.
the cookie. That's sugar.
It's too young, but the
Sugar and fake ingredients
They put
combined.
sugar in these?
Probably tastes good. Anything that tastes good has sugar in it. Ah, baby.
or some kind of sweetener. Yeah? Are you hungry?
Earlier I was recording her because she was eating this up. Yeah, get it, baby. What happened, Haley?
She wants out.